this is one here, then one, then one. That was the issue. Again set field, and then so it needs water sludge as well. Let's write water sludge as well. The pairs are on the other side as well. You would have to write all the combination on the opposite side as well. That was my mistake. Water-saline is missing. Sludge-saline is missing. Sludge mercury. Saline mercury. Now this is working fine. We'll not see the contact angle thing because that is a special case scenario, and that is only effective, or you'll be able to appreciate the contact angle when you are solving a particular problem. Right now adding the contact angle will not show any difference. Now let's see this much only. Here there is a alphas field as well, which will show you all the fields at once. You can see the air, just the mercury, just the saline, and just the sludge, just water, and alphas will show you all the phases in one shot.